Otter AI tutorial, how to use Otter AI. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Otter AI, a step by step beginner's guide. So don't make any mistakes and follow the steps I showed you. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to otter.ai. Then there you can see this interface. Otter AI basically is a meeting agent, you can say. It is like it will do some meetings from you, like from your side. It is a very conservative AI, and here you can see this. You can don't need to take meetings on notes again. You can get transcripts, automated summaries, action items, and chat with Otter to get instant answers from your meetings. Like basically, it will analyze the whole meeting you do using it, and then it will make you summaries, note, transcripts, and many other things. Also, you don't need to remember the meeting or save it up. Otter will do the job for you. Now go to Otter.ai and then tap on to start for free. Otter also has a business trial. You can check out this is 7 days free trial. You can check it out. But for now, I'm gonna go with the free one. So let's continue with my Google account. So let's go. And there we go. This is something Otter AI interface look like. Now tap on to next and then tap on to your Google account and then continue with it. Scroll down and tap continue again. Wait until the page loads completely and then you have to tap next. From here you can check it out. Tap next. You can enter your invitation, like you can get proof for free by inviting your friends. Okay, like you can get a free pro Otter ID by inviting a friend. You can do it by simply tap onto invite section and then you can invite it to your friend. Now you have to answer some basic questions. For example, what best describes you or your work? And if you don't want to answer these questions, you can simply tap on to skip personalization and then you can easily skip it. But I will recommend you to answer these questions so that Otter can analyze that what is your job, what you would like to do with Otter, and gives you the best results and service. So let's answer some basic questions. For example, what best describes my work? I'm gonna tap onto IT and then I'm gonna tap onto manager. Also you can go back by tapping on the back option and then you can choose another options. You can answer all the questions like how would you like to Otter to work with, like I'm gonna tap onto replace note taking capture. I'm gonna tap onto every single one. Okay, not other. Okay, let's tap onto next. Now you can try it for free or you can also tap onto the prefer the basic plan on these options. So wait until the page loads completely. And this is something Otter dashboard or interface looks like. So now you can ask Otter anything about your conversations. Just ask him. I'm gonna just ask some random questions that hello, how are you? So as you can see, Otter is an AI assistant created by Otter.ai. So you have to answer your problems like I have some problems while I am on Zoom meetings. Wait, how can I use you and connect you? So let's see what Otter AI answers me. So here you can see that to connect Otter to your Zoom meetings or any other meetings, for example, it can be any other meeting sites. You have to go to the app Like you can see this, you have to go to apps in the left navigation menu. Here you can see this apps option, then you have to click, and I know I'm just showing you. You have to click add next to Zoom, then you can sign into your Zoom account and click allow to connect, and then you have to set up autopilot to join your Zoom meetings, and then you have to configure your Zoom settings from here. You have to sign into your Zoom account, go to personal settings and recording tab, then toggle on record computer files. So let me show you. Go to apps sections and search up for your preferred app, for example Zoom. So tap on to add, and you have to enter your accept cookie, then enter your email address, password, then you can sign in. Also you can use your Gmail account and then follow the prompts to connect Zoom with your Otter agent. You can also use other sites like Dropbox, Google, or HubSpot. There are a lot of available. Slack also, you can just use them. You can create new channels from here. You can enter channel names. You can also invite others to join your channel if you want to, if you want to make it public or private. You can do many things. You can get a pro for free by inviting a public or friends, you can say. You can record your voice from here. So hello there, how are you? How can I use Otter AI to do a meeting on of my behalf? So there you can see. Okay, let me. Okay, so here you can see this, and then you can share it if you want, or you can just stop the recording. So there you go. Okay, you can check it out. You can just connect your Zoom account with Otter now from here. I showed you earlier. So that's it, and then Otter will start its job to summarize text, notes, and other features that it provides. So that's it. This is how we can use Otter AI, and this was the tutorial of Otter AI on how we can use it. So if this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section, like the video, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Also, I would suggest you to use Otter AI if you usually do meetings, or you can just talk with your clients on work reasons. Then I will recommend you to use Otter AI because it will minimize your work efficiency. No, I mean it will help you to maximize your work potential. So that's it. Goodbye. See you on another video.